Freedom from desire leads to inner peace. A quote by Lao Tzu, in which that it reminds that inner peace comes from within, not from what we have or what we can do. We can have the freedom to speak, to believe, to choose, and live the way how we want to. But what's the use of that freedom if our hearts feel heavy and our thoughts keep us stuck? What's the point of being able to express yourself if deep down you don't even feel okay? Can we truly enjoy our life if we're externally free outside but internally trapped inside? And most of all, are external freedom useless without inner peace? Well, sometimes the truth is, the hardest challenges we face are not the ones outside, but it's actually the ones inside our minds. External freedom gives us the ability to act, to speak, to move, and live the way how we choose. These are our rights that each individual has. But without peace in our hearts and minds, these rights can feel empty. A person may have the ability to express their thoughts, but they might still be scared of doing so because of them feeling insecure that they might be judged by others. A person may have the ability to follow their dreams, but constant self-doubt can hold them back. But inner peace creates that space for us to let us enjoy our freedom and for us to make most out of our freedom worth. Without it, freedom just become a set of choices that don't lead to one's happiness. A person may look like they're externally free, but they might still be carrying the heavy burden and heavy weight of fear that they that stops them from truly living. When a person has inner peace inside, they can live with a purpose. They can live to their fullest without the burden of feeling behind or the fact that they thought of themselves that they're not doing enough. One time, I had the freedom to not care, but I still felt uneasy. I started comparing myself to others, and it made me feel that I wasn't enough. I started to feel that I wasn't enough because my performance was just average, and it made me wonder if I was already falling behind. I had the freedom to not care, but that freedom didn't stop the feeling that I should be doing more. Even if no one expected more from me, I knew that I should be doing more. That time, I knew that without inner peace in my mind and heart, that freedom didn't feel real. That's why I do believe that without inner peace, external freedom are useless. You can have the ability to speak, to believe, and choose how we live. But without peace in our hearts and minds, those rights can feel empty. Inner peace is what make our external freedom matter. Inner peace is very important. That's why we need to work hard on ourselves to find that inner peace to let us enjoy our life. It brings meaning to our rights and brings us to the freedom that we're lucky to have.